Everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be having a look at a new upcoming ICO token. It's the Aura Network. Building the Internet of NFTs, Aura is scalable, agile, effortless layer 1 blockchain with a comprehensive ecosystem built to accelerate global NFT adoptions. This sounds awesome. So we're going to take a look at the ecosystem, this so-called ecosystem, and I hope I'm impressed. So before we continue, allow me to declare that this video is not financial advice, strictly for educational purposes. We'll also take a look at the roadmap as well. Obviously, we're in Q3 of 2022, so that's quite interesting. The team is publicly known. That's oftenly a good sign of a legitimate crypto group. That's usually a really good sign. Aurora is a layer 1 NFT central blockchain that focuses on expanding the use of NFTs across various industries. The vision is to create one-stop destination for minting, evaluating transactions of NFTs to become a pioneer NFT infrastructure for the future. Now, Aurora provides three main features: a universal framework for all stakeholders to create a one-stop destination for developing NFT use cases. The other one is a multi-chain platform that supports both crypto communities and traditional businesses, an infrastructure layer for building and integrating your application to the metaverse. Now, Aurora is built using Cosmos SDK, the world's most used framework for building blockchains. Isn't that fascinating? I didn't expect that. Aurora is using Cosmos SDK, and apparently it's the most used for building blockchains. That's quite fascinating. I've made videos on Aurora quite recently. I know just how unique they are in the space of blockchain, dApp building, dApp developments, infrastructure, blockchain platform. I know just how credible they are, how legitimate they are. But I didn't know that their framework, their software developers kit, is the most widely used to develop a blockchain platform. I didn't know that. And I hope this information is true. If it's not, please help me find the correct information. I do apologize if it's not. It seems a bit too good to be true, but at the same time, I do not want to be judging. So that's a quick look at Aurora Network. Like I said, we will take a look at the infrastructure and obviously, most important, the ecosystem, how it all fits together. These are some of the backers and some of the friends, including Kyber Ventures. I'm a huge fan of Kyber. It also includes Avatar Avalanche Asia Star Fund, quite interesting, Impossible Finance, FPT, GBV, Coin98 Ventures as well. Coin98 Ventures is quite popular in this area, so that's quite good. Now onto the roadmap. Now before we get onto the roadmap, the ICO, it is upcoming. It's on the 25th of July, so that's looking quite interesting. Today's the 18th of July, so we've still got a few days to go. But as for the roadmap, Q3 this year, they're working on the mainnet release, obviously upcoming IPO, the governance tool integrated with Coin98 ecosystem. That's cool. Binance Smart Chain enablement for native token. That's also cool. And for Q4 of 2022, NFT game supports. That's awesome. First NFT use cases. I can't wait to see these things in reality. It's going to be quite interesting. Now, as for next year, starting next year at least, Binance Smart Chain enablement for NFTs. Yes. Obviously, enablement for native tokens is this year. In this quarter, Q3, quite interesting. First metaverse integration next year, 2023. Enable blockchain collaboration and NFT games launch. They're going to have an NFT games launch next year. That is super exciting. I can't wait. I'm getting more and more exciting. Now, naturally, that's just a quick look at the roadmap. Nice and just what I like to hear. Now, as for the ecosystem, it can be divided into four, apparently. It starts with infrastructure, the next is currency, after that they've got dApps, and after that they've got API. Applications building on Aura or required to provide standard open APIs for public services or serve. Now, as for dApps, applications that offer rich user experience in working with DeFi and NFT, the list continuously growing, but we have several things in mind at the moment. The green ones are what are going on. Gray ones are reserved for future development collaborations. So that's it. Green ones are going on. Gray ones are meant for future development, such as the bridge, the marketplace, the DEX, decentralized exchange, a launch pad. Those are all future plans. What's happening now is that they're working on a wallet, They're also working on something called Playground, Aura Safe. They're working on an NFT hub and Aura Scan. Quite good. Now, as for their currency, the Aura coin, that's coming CW20 token, Aura token on the Binance Smart Chain. And as for API information, those are all in gray. Those are all things being worked on in the future, such as OpenAPI, IPFS, Metaverse, and games. Now, as for the currency, there are two native currency on Aura ecosystem. There's Aura coin and Aura token on Binance Smart Chain. Aura also supports creating CW20 tokens similar to other blockchains that uses COSWAMP's module. Now let's finish up on infrastructure. Contains all resources relating to the underlying blockchain platform. This includes the node client ORAD and all the resources such as Genesis block, configuration files, and deployed services serving the Aura network blockchain. How fascinating. Now, it's also good that they do have a blog, some of their latest updates, which is most of what we've talked about so far. These blogs, they just go into more details. If you do want to find out more about this, more detailed information, feel free to check it out. Now, remember to let me know if I missed anything in this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video.